I'm very excited to announce the subtitle first. So, without wasting time, I'm going to announce the Best Catwalk Award. Alright, the Best Catwalk Award. And to do this honor, I have a privilege to invite the honor of Jubilee Sport Lodge to please come over the stage. And Catwalk Award goes to Basapi Baby. Congratulations, Basapi. Congratulations to Basapi Baby. You secured Best Catwalk Award. And this award is going to be presented by the owner of Jubilee Sport Lodge, Mr. Lekte, is going to present this award. Congratulations to Basapi Baby. Congratulations, Surita. She is a Basapi Baby Best Catwalk Award. Congratulations, Basapi Baby. Award is Best Photogenic. Best Photogenic. And to do this honor, I have a privilege to invite the advisor of Karbi Memorial Talent Society to please come over the stage. Yes, sir. Award for Best Photogenic. And Best Photogenic Award goes to Ruby Rinchipi. Congratulations. You secured Best Photogenic Award. And this award is going to presented by the advisor of Karbi Memorial Talent Society, Mr. Berman. Congratulations, Ruby GP, for securing Best Photogenic Award in Mrs. Karbi Anglong 2020. Proud moment for her family, also for her entire family. Congratulations, Ruby GP, for having this award. Thank you so much. And the next award is for Best Talent Award. To do this honor, I have a privilege to invite the chairman of Jinfed Board in the Karbi Anglong Temples Council, Mr. Right Honorable Jolin Timung, to please step over to the stage to present the Best Talent Award. Best Talent Award. Alright, now Best Talent Award goes to, again, Basapi Baby. Alright, Best Talent Award. Again, he is securing the Best Talent Award also. Basapi Baby. Just a couple of seconds back, she secured Best Catwalk Award, and now she is attaining Best Talent Award. And this award is presented by Jolin Timung, the Right Honorable Chairman of Jinfed Board and the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. So thank you so much and congratulations to Basapi Baby once again. Second runners up, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. You know who is the winner? Do you know who is the second runners-up? Can you guess? Can you guess? Can you just guess who is the second runners-up? Okay. Now I'm going to announce the second runners-up, ladies and gentlemen. The second runners-up award goes to Rasmita ITP. Congratulations. And to do this honor, I have privilege to invite once again the honor of two foreigners to please coming in and give this award. Congratulations to Rasmita NGP for securing a second runners-up in Mrs. category. And once again, the owner of Jubilee Sport Lodge, Mr. Lekte, is going to present this award to Rasmita NGP. the second runners-up from Mrs. category in this session of Mrs. Karbi Anglong 2020, which is organized by Kajir Ronghampi Memorial Talent Fund Society, ladies and gentlemen. And Rasmita NTP is now receiving the second runners-up award from the owner of Jubu Sport Launch, Mr. Legte. And as you can see, congratulations, many congratulations to Rasmita NTP securing the second runners-up in Mrs. category. What a moment she is having here at Joy Singolo Auditorium, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, now, first runners-up. Alright, now the first runners-up award goes to Rupali Tarampi. Congratulations, Rupali Tarampi, for securing the first runners-up here. And to do this honor, I would like to invite Monica Panchopi to present this award. Our renowned actress, Monica Panchopi, is going to present this award for first runners-up from this category for this session, and this award is securing by Rupali Terompi, and this award is going to present by Monica Panchopi, a renowned female actor. And as you can see, Rupali Terompi, in fact, Rupali Terompi is now securing the first runners-up in Mrs. category. Congratulations to Rupali. And it will be a proud moment for her family and also for her husband. If you are somewhere around here, congratulations, your wife secured her first runners-up here. And what a moment she is having here. Congratulations, Rupali Terompi. Rupali Terompi, first runners-up. Congratulations. Who will be the winner of Mrs. Karbi Anglong 2020? You know who is the winner? Who will be winning this Mrs. Karbi Anglong 2020? Are you ready to listen who is the winner? Alright, ladies and gentlemen. And now the winner of Mrs. Karbi Anglong 2020 is Romeo Intipi. And to do this honor, I have a privilege to invite Sunita Rompipi to please come onto the stage. Alright. This is Sunita Rompipi. Alright. Congratulations to Romeo Intipi and to her family and to her relatives. Congratulations, Romeo Intipi, winner of Mrs. Karbi Anglong 2020. And gratitude must be extended to Romeo Intipi for participating here in this competition. And she has left no stone unturned to win this title. And today she has been crowned as the winner of Mrs. Karbi Anglong 2020 here at Joy Singolo Auditorium. What a memorable moment for her, securing the winner of this event. Congratulations to our perfect God, Romeo Intipi, alangli Mrs. Karbi Anglong, contact board alangli dinner no, okay, alangli si high congratulations. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your time. Thank you so much.